In this video, we'll show you how to inspect, lubricate, and repair the Parker valve. First, remove the screws from the control box and pull the cover off. You'll want to mark the orientation of the end caps since we're about to take them off. Next, you'll want to remove these 2 screws so that you can remove the valve in order to have access to the end cap. Remove the 2 screws in one end cap, supporting the cap so it doesn't fall off when the screw is removed. Once removed, the right side end cap will have a spring and a gasket. Make sure they're in good condition. Remove the other end cap and inspect the gasket there as well. Using a screwdriver, push the piston out and remove it. Inspect all 6 O-rings on the piston. If the O-rings look good, apply lithium grease to each ring. If any of these gaskets or the ones in the end cap look bad, you should replace them using the repair kit. The repair kit can be found in our online store. Gently reinsert the piston. Make sure the spring and gasket are seated properly and reattach the end cap. Be careful to tighten the screws evenly. Put the cover back on and replace the screws. Now, if you have an electric control box, it'll look slightly different, but the process is the same. As always, you can find more maintenance tips and how-to videos on the Dustless Blasting Online Academy.